Welcome to the Artificial Intelligence Academy. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley. Today I have the pleasure of sharing with you the integrated program in big data and data science leading to a master's level certification. This joint program can really serve as a foundation for advancing your career in the fast-growing data science as well as artificial intelligence arena. You will learn development and programming techniques using both Hadoop and Spark used to program large data sets using the R programming language, which is one of the most popular data languages, especially for data and statistical analyses. And then ultimately, you will use the Tableau software for data visualization and presentation. Now, there are 5 courses that constitute this master's certificate program. They include data science certificate training with R programming. Second, big data Hadoop and Spark developer training. Tableau Desktop, Tableau version 10, I should say, qualified associate training, as well as data science with Python, and finally, machine learning. And in addition to these 5 core courses, there are a multitude of electives, of which, by definition, you can pick and choose which are most relevant and of interest to you. They include, but not limited to, data science with SAS Training, Apache Spark and Scala, MongoDB Developer and Administrator training, Apache Cassandra training, and there are several other electives as well. So to learn more about this valuable joint training program in big data and data science, which also includes machine learning and the R and Python programming languages, simply click on the link below this video. Our website has the full course curriculum, all the details about the additional electives, as well as information on how you can register today and begin advancing your career in big data and data science. This is Lawrence Wilson for Artificial Intelligence Academy. Signing off, I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.